What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the another exciting tutorial, which is Flask. Basically, Flask is a framework which is used to connect our HTML code and our database. Here we use Python to connect these HTML pages and our database. Okay, so if you see an example here, the Flask, uh, which is acts as a middleware in between the HTML pages and the SQL databases. Okay, so there are many frameworks available in Python, which are Django, Flask. uh, these are some very much popular. Now let's try to install Flask. Just navigate to your scripts, Python scripts, and type pip uh, install Flask in command prompt. Okay, so this it is showing me requirement already satisfied. My system has already installed the Flask. Okay, now created a new folder Flask and open your favorite editor and drag the folder here and see and create a new file in that folder. Okay, so in my case my file name I saved it as main.py. Okay, main.py. Now we try to import Flask, and this can be done by from Flask import Flask. Here f must be capital. Note that point. Okay. Uh, Now we try to create initialize our app by saying app equals flask of underscore underscore name underscore underscore. This will initialize our app, and this app is used to perform the routing stuff. All the routing stuff can be done by using this app. If you don't know about routing, just go to the Flask official documentation page. Here flaskpaletsproject.com is the object name, and slash env slash 1.1x is the root. When we type the object name along with this slash en slash 1.1x, this will redirect me to this website. Okay. This is how routing will works. Now we can create this by saying at the rate of app.root root, and in the brackets we type here slash. The slash is the default home base. So here we created a function home, and it is returning hello cosmos. Now we created a main function, and we have to run our app by saying app.run and passing the parameter debug is equals true. So this debug parameter is used like we need not to run the program every time when we made any changes in the program. Okay, just hit Ctrl S and it will automatically run our program. We need not to run program every time. Okay, so this will generate a link which is https that thing. So just copy this and paste this in your browser and see here it is written hello cosmos. So this is the default home page, which is slash. Okay, there is nothing. So if you type slash anything, it is saying that the requested URL was not found. Okay, when we type slash, because here we define only slash. If you set slash anything and run this program, if you run this, the default home page is not found because we are only defined slash anything. Okay, now type slash anything here, then it will change. So it returned hello cosmos. So this is the basic syntax to write our Flask program. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.